How to add ABN AMRO card to Apple Pay. Here's some step guide to add your ABN AMRO card to Apple Pay. Unlock your iPhone and make sure you're connected to the internet. Update your iOS and the ABN AMRO app to the latest version. Ensure your Apple ID is signed into iCloud and region is set to Netherlands. Open the ABN AMRO app and go to the Cards section inside the app. Tap on Apple Pay and select the card debit or credit you want to add. Choose the device like iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac to link the card. Review and accept the terms and conditions. The ABN AMRO card will connect to Apple Wallet. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is successfully activated. You can now pay with Apple Pay by holding your iPhone or Apple Watch near a contactless terminal. Thanks for watching.